How to set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. Hello guys, so let us get started. First of all, open up your Bybit. After you open it up, tap on your profile icon on the top left. After you tap on it, you will see the security option right here. Tap on security. After you tap on security, if you scroll down, you will see Google two-factor authentication. Just enable that. Now right here you will get a verification code on your Gmail, so wait for that, and after you find it, simply type that in. Now after you do so, tap on continue. Now you'll need to copy this key. After you copy the key, open up your Google Authenticator, tap on the plus icon, tap on enter the startup key. Right here type Bybit. After you type that in, you will need to paste your key that you just copied, so paste that and tap on add. Now you will get this right here. Now next what you'll need to do is go ahead back to your Bybit. After you're back on your Bybit, you can simply tap on next and you'll need to paste the code. Now let this timer pass. Now you'll get a new one. Simply copy this, head back to your Bybit, tap on allow paste and paste it. And there you go, you have just set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. And that is basically how you do it guys, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching.